You need to wear gloves when you handle Datil pepper seeds. That's true for any really hot pepper. Trust me, personal experience. Wear your gloves. When you're done, peel them off carefully. Don't touch the peppery part. I know it's common sense, but you know what they say about common sense, okay? If you handle these seeds and then forget and go to, let's say, the bathroom, you're going to remember this lesson for a very long time. Here's some datil germination tips. Plant shallow, keep warm and moist. This tray was moistened more than what you see in the video. I usually get about 70 to 80% germination with my heirloom datil pepper seeds. Good luck with yours.